Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we are going to show you how to buy Amazon gift card and send by email step by step. So for the first step, go to this URL. I'm going to provide it in the description box, but I'm also saying it amazon.com/giftcard.b.ref equals to glow/CLC and so on. I'm sorry. And then let's just get further into the video. After going here, choose your gift card, which one you want to buy. I'm going to select this one. It costs $50. And after we are here, as you can see, you can choose the card template from here for any occasion, seasonal, or you can just design it also. So after it's done, choose delivery, text message or email, and as we are going to send by email, we're going to choose this. As you can see, it's already chosen here, and you need to choose the amount and enter recipient email and add a message if you want. And afterwards, all you need to do is scroll down and add this to your cart, and that's it. Also, you can select the delivery date if you want it now or maybe a few days later. And afterwards, all you need to do is add this to your cart and proceed to checkout and complete payment, and gift card is sent instantly to their email or your email if you're buying it for yourself. And that's it. I have explained it in a very efficient way, so I hope this will help you, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and also like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell before going. See you in the next video.